Alright guys, we're at the Tokyo Hilton in Shinjuku. We're going into room 222. First off, we have this nice area for the bag. We have a closet with a safe, ironing board, oh, slippers, and I have no idea what that gizmo is, but it's right there. And then we have a mirror, a TV, yeah, overlooking a nice easy there, two twin beds, some weird opening to the bathroom with a shower that's fully visible.
Oh, you guys have a little.
You know, it's on.
And yeah, a nice large sink, okay, with a bidet, and of course there's a shower with a drain. So this is it. Kind of pricey, but we'll be here for the next 5 days. So thank you for joining. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day, guys. Take it easy. Bye now.